some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh.
Alright, y'all, so we are at the end of the Mi Tierra joint. Everybody came outside. You see this? All these people. It's literally 4:56 in the morning, right? And you see all these people outside. I mean, the party literally just ended, but it's still going. Get in the way, yo. Grab that. They got a bunch of joints in there, boy. In the car going crazy, y'all. 20 mil para Chippy Chappy? Circa Chippy Chappy?
We not going to that street thing?
They said it was too dangerous.
Oh, it's dangerous.
Fuck no. It's just only 2 minutes.
That what the girl said?
We need 2 taxis though.
I got this one.
Uber 22 minutos.
¿Y en Uber cuánto es?
Uber. Yo uso un otro. ¿Y mis zapatos, amor? Ese. El priority acá. ¿Vas para el desayuno? En la mañana. ¿Hermana? ¿Vas para el desayuno? Vale.
Mira dónde va tu amigo, ve por acá lejos.
Hay que caminar allá para un Uber. And we're gonna walk down there a little bit further, away from the bubble for the Uber. Because
we're gonna go up north, try to Trying to catch one of
Yeah, definitely. Definitely a better idea. Away from the crowd. Sí, espado, pero camina otro, ¿entiendes? So que la gas station. Porque más personas usan Uber aquí y cuando yo vas allá es mejor. ¿Y gasolina? Es para allá. ¿Qué? Oh, hold up, man. Mi amigo. Taxi, man. Wait, go to House King James. Mi amigo no camina. Un taxi, amigo. Yo un taxi. Es mejor. Porque es para un Uber. Es para un Uber. Es busy. ¿Sí? Ahora.
Como 10 pesos, ¿no? Por ahí el de venía. Como 10 tapices, ¿no? ¿No cobró?
Pregunta a ella para 39. Porque él tiene dinero para un taxi. Nosotros vamos, tú y yo. Habla conmigo, porque yo hablo es más fácil.
Yo sé que
¿Estás grabando?
Ah, sí. Graba. Él. Pregunta a él.
el Uber.
¿Cuánto más por Chippy Chappy? Chippy Chappy.
¿A Chipichape?
Chippy Chappy. ¿Tres?
Ale.
Sí. It's bullshit.
What's that?
Nigga said 30,000 is doing Chippy Chappy.
We should have took the one for 20 mil. Amor. 20 mil.
30.
Pero la primera.
All right, y'all, so we about to be out of here, man. We trying to catch an Uber. The Uber's just taking forever. We getting Chippy Chappy. Really 30 mil ain't really nothing, but it's just the fact that it's normally 20 mil. Let's negotiate and get that price down.
Man, we gonna get that price right.